In today's video, I will show you the powerful and practical unique function in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Firstly, what is the unique function? Well, as the name suggests, it helps you deal with unique values in the selected data of your spreadsheet. Let's now talk about some scenarios where you can use this function. The unique function is very helpful when you need to filter out duplicate values, check for repeated values, or if you simply want to extract a list of distinct items from a set of data. Let's say you have a long list of data and you want to filter out duplicates. That's where the unique function comes into play. Select the cell where you want your unique list to start, type =unique, and then highlight the range of data, press enter. Here we go. Excel will produce a list of distinct values. There is something more you can do with this function, however. By default, the unique function lists unique values horizontally, but if you want to see them vertically, you can use the transpose function with the unique. This will produce a vertical list of distinct values, and if I use other formulas as well, such as SUMIF-S, then with a few quick steps, I can also build a value matrix using the unique function. And now let's see a few more tricks. If I combine the sort function with the unique function, then I can sort the unique values as I like. The unique function creates a dynamic array with an automatically assigned name represented by hashtag appended to the cell's name. Using this, we can easily generate a dynamic list for data validation by selecting the data validation function and choosing the list option and using the name of the dynamic array as the data set. One thing to keep in mind is that the results of the unique functions are dynamic. So if you adjust the data it depends on, the results will be updated accordingly. That's all we have for today. The unique function is simple but powerful, and it will simplify your life when dealing with data in Excel. Go ahead and try it out and let me know in the comment how it worked for you.